Hey there, keyboard enthusiasts! Welcome back to Keycap Kingdom, your go-to channel for all things keyboard and keycaps. If you love customizing your mechanical keyboard, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 5 mechanical keyboards that are perfect for custom keycaps in 2024. So, let's get started. Alright, kicking things off at number 5, we've got the Keychron K6. Now this bad boy is a solid contender, especially if you're just dipping your toes into the wonderful world of custom keycaps. See, a lot of folks hear custom keycaps and think it's some crazy soldering adventure, but that's where the beauty of the K6 comes in. It's got these magical things called hot-swappable switches, which basically means you can pop those keycaps on and off like Lego bricks. No soldering iron, no tears, just pure customization joy. Now I know what you're thinking. Hot-swappable? Sounds flimsy, right? Well, let me tell you, the Keychron K6 doesn't skimp on build quality. It's got this really nice, solid feel to it, and it can definitely take a beating. Plus, it comes in a bunch of different layouts, so you can find the perfect one to match your typing style and desk setup. And the best part? It's super affordable. You're getting a lot of bang for your buck with this one, folks. Let's talk a bit more about those hot-swappable switches. I know, I'm harping on about them, but they're a game changer, especially for beginners. It means you can experiment with different switch types without having to commit to soldering a whole keyboard. You can try out clicky blues, linear reds, tactile browns, whatever your heart desires. It's like having a whole keyboard testing station at your fingertips. And you know what? Even if you're not a complete newbie, the Keychron K6 is still a fantastic option. It's just a really solid, reliable keyboard that's perfect for everyday use. Plus, with all the money you save on soldering equipment, you can treat yourself to some extra keycap sets. So yeah, the Keychron K6, a worthy contender for number 5 on our list. Alright, moving on to number 4, and things are about to get serious. We're talking about the Ducky One 2 Mini, a keyboard that's basically a legend in the mechanical keyboard community. Now this little guy is a 60% keyboard, which means it ditches the numpad and some of the function keys to give you that sweet, sweet desk space. And let me tell you, once you go 60%, you never go back. But don't let the compact size fool you. The Ducky One 2 Mini is packed with features. We're talking PBT double-shot keycaps, which are super durable and resistant to shine. We're talking a detachable USB-C cable for easy portability. And of course, we're talking about that legendary Ducky build quality. This thing is built like a tank. Now you might be thinking, Linus, you're always raving about build quality, but what does it actually mean? Well, my friends, it means that this keyboard is built to last. It's got a solid, hefty feel to it, and you can tell that it's made with high-quality materials. This isn't some cheap, flimsy keyboard that's going to fall apart after a few months of use. This is an investment. But it's not just about the build quality. The Ducky One 2 Mini also offers a fantastic typing experience. The keycaps are nicely textured and the stabilizers are super smooth. And because it's a Ducky, you know that it's going to be compatible with a wide range of custom keycaps. So if you're looking for a compact, high-quality keyboard that's perfect for custom keycaps, the Ducky One 2 Mini is definitely worth checking out. Chapter 3, Number 3, Dropout. Alright, we're halfway through our list and it's time to talk about a keyboard that's near and dear to my heart. I'm talking about the Dropout, a keyboard that's basically a blank canvas for customization. Now this bad boy is a 65% keyboard, which means it's a little bit bigger than a 60% keyboard, but it still gives you a ton of desk space. Plus it includes dedicated arrow keys, which is a must-have for me personally. But the real beauty of the Dropout is its modularity. This thing is designed for customization from the ground up. You can swap out the switches, the keycaps, the stabilizers, the plate, you name it. It's like building your own dream keyboard from scratch. Now I know what you're thinking, Linus. This all sounds very complicated and expensive. And you're not wrong. The Dropout can be a bit of a rabbit hole if you let it. But that's also part of the fun. It's a keyboard that you can really make your own. And the best part? It's surprisingly affordable. Obviously, the price can go up depending on how crazy you get with the customization, but the base keyboard itself is very reasonably priced. So if you're looking for a keyboard that you can really make your own, the Dropout is definitely worth checking out. Just be prepared to spend a lot of time browsing RR mechanical keyboards. Chapter 4, Number 2, Glorious GMMK Pro. Alright, we're down to the wire, folks. At number 2, we've got the glorious GMMK Pro, a keyboard that's basically a beast. Now this bad boy is a full-size keyboard, which means it's got all the keys your heart could ever desire, but don't let the size fool you. This keyboard is still super sleek and stylish. But the real star of the show here is the build quality. This thing is built like a tank. We're talking a solid aluminum frame, high-quality PBT keycaps, and pre-lubed stabilizers. This is a keyboard that's designed to last a lifetime. And of course, we can't forget about the RGB lighting. This thing is a light show in a box. You can customize the lighting to your heart's content, and it looks absolutely stunning. But it's not just about the looks. The glorious GMMK Pro also offers a fantastic typing experience. The keycaps are nicely textured, and the stabilizers are super smooth. And because it's a glorious keyboard, you know that it's going to be compatible with a wide range of custom keycaps. So if you're looking for a full-size, high-quality keyboard that's perfect for custom keycaps, the glorious GMMK Pro is definitely worth checking out. Just be prepared to empty your wallet a little bit. Chapter 5, Number 1, Keychron Q1. And finally, we've reached the pinnacle of our list, the keyboard that reigns supreme in the realm of custom keycaps. The one, the only, the Keychron Q1. Now this bad boy is a work of art. It's got everything you could ever want in a keyboard and then some. Let's start with the build quality. This thing is built like a tank. I mean it. It's got a solid aluminum frame that could probably survive a nuclear blast. And the keycaps? Don't even get me started. They're made from this super durable PBT material that feels amazing to type on. But the real beauty of the Keychron Q1 is its versatility. This keyboard can be anything you want it to be. It's got a hot-swappable PCB, so you can easily swap out the switches whenever you feel like it. And because it's a standard ANSI layout, you've got a world of custom keycap options at your fingertips. But wait, there's more. The Keychron Q1 also has this really cool gasket-mounted design. Now I'm not going to bore you with the technical details, but basically, it means that the typing experience is super smooth and satisfying. It's like typing on a cloud. And to top it all off, the Keychron Q1 is also surprisingly affordable. I mean, it's not exactly cheap, but for the level of quality and customization you're getting, it's an absolute steal. So, if you're looking for the best possible keyboard for custom keycaps, look no further than the Keychron Q1. It's the cream of the crop, the top of the line, the bee's knees. You get the idea. And there you have it, folks. Our top 5 mechanical keyboards for custom keycaps in 2024. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro, these keyboards offer the perfect blend of quality, customization, and value. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and let us know in the comments which keyboard you're most excited to customize. Also, make sure to subscribe to Keycap Kingdom for more tips, reviews, and all things keyboards. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.